In this video, we will discuss and review CachyOS. So CachyOS is actually a blazingly fast and customizable Linux distribution. It's designed to deliver lightning fast speeds and stability, ensuring a smooth and enjoyable computing experience every time you use it. You can just go over to CachyOS.org and click on this download option in order to download it into your site. You can choose right here your preferred desktop edition like Direct, SourceForge, Signature, Torrent, and the likes. I'll choose right here Direct, and you can see right here that it's currently downloading on my case. It's actually around 2.8 gigabytes. So on that case, you can just proceed to use it. So it offers extensive customization, ideal for gamers and power users. It also is a good choice for desktop environments and a seamless gaming setup. So a lot of users are actually satisfied with this particular new OS that's in the market. It's built on Arch Linux, providing a rolling release model for access to the latest software and drivers for Arch. So that's all there is today, and I hope this video helped you out.